Hey guys, Francis here. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can make up to like $500 to $1,000, okay, with this particular method. The cool part about this is that it's a worldwide method and everybody can literally do this, and it's not that complicated because it's a simple method, okay, which I'll be walking you guys through step by step, and you will see how to get started with this particular method. If this is the first time I'm stopping by on my video or stopping by on my channel, my name is Francis Abogonye. I make entrepreneurship videos. I do make money online methods like this one. So if you hit the red subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon, you'll be notified whenever I come up with awesome videos just like this one, so that you don't miss out on anything. Also, let me know what you think about this in the comments and show your support by hitting the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Alright, so with that being said, let's dive right into my computer and I'll be sharing with you guys how to get started with this particular method. Alright, because it is cool and easy, okay? Everybody can jump on this, okay? So I encourage you to stay to the end of this video so you understand how to get started with this particular method, because we'll be going over this step by step, okay? So you don't miss out on anything, okay? Watch every second of the way. So let's dive into my computer and we're getting started right now. Let's do this, guys. So guys, the first thing we want to be doing is coming over to Instagram. Okay, Instagram is a platform, okay, we're going to be using to get this method off the ground, and we're going to be using this method, Instagram, to make money with this particular method. Okay, now in the past, I know I've talked a lot about other platforms like FameSwap, okay, where you can go to buy and sell Instagram account and YouTube channel and all those stuff, okay. But in this video, we're not going to be doing this, okay. And also, I also talked about Shoutcard and all that, but we're not going to be buying shout out, okay, from influencers and all those stuff, okay. So guys, the first thing we're going to be doing is coming over to Instagram, okay. Instagram is the platform we're going to be using to get this method off the ground, okay. Now, when you come over to Google and type in popular names, okay, for the past 100 years, okay, just type in popular names in the world, all right, you'll be brought to a website just like this one, okay. Any result you get, okay, you can just pick that one up, okay. They are all similar things. You just want to have an idea of names people are answering in the world, okay, both male and female names, all right. So you can use this link called ssa.gov, okay. I guess it's the names in the United States and all that, but it's actually for the past 100 years, okay. Most English people bear this name right here, okay. So you can get ideas from this. So what we're going to be doing basically is selling some of these names on Instagram, okay. We'll be flipping some of these names on Instagram, which I'll be sharing with you guys in a moment how you can do this step by step. So you don't want to miss out on anything, which is why you're supposed to watch this video every second of the way so you don't miss out on anything, all right. So right here, I already have a list of names I've already done some research on, okay, which we'll be going over in this particular video, okay, so you can understand how to set everything up and get the ball rolling for yourself, okay. So these are some of the cool names right here. You can see James has 4 million, okay. Mary has about 3.3 million in the past 100 years. This is actually cool to look at. I enjoy looking at this. Williams have about 3 million. David, Richard, Joseph, Thomas, and all that, okay. There are a bunch of names right here we can gain ideas from and how we can do some research on them. There are a bunch of names out there, okay, that you can sell and make money from, okay. What we're now going to be doing is this list I actually pull up right here, okay. I actually went ahead to search this on Instagram, okay. I just went to search instagram.com/Larry. So Larry, this is Larry's page, okay. And Larry has been posting some kind of content on his Instagram, and most of the people that have this Instagram account actually got it, let's say when Instagram started new, okay. They were the first to get this username, and it is very, very cool. Now this is worth money, and I'll be sharing with you guys how you're going to be doing this particular method. So if we type in Larry, we can see Larry is here. If we type in, let me say Frank, just like my name, Francis, okay. Let's just type instagram.com/Frank, okay. Let's see what comes up. Okay, so you can see this person that actually have Frank right here, okay. He's in Columbus, okay. The account's on private, have about 480 followers right here, okay. We can continue to go down the list, all right. But what we're going to be doing basically is, okay, we're going to be selling some of these Instagram accounts for big bucks, okay. We're going to be using them to make money, and how we're going to be doing that is we can come over to multiple websites that actually you can actually sell Instagram accounts and all that, but we'll come over to this platform called PlayerUp, okay. I've actually been here during my last tutorial and all that, okay. We can come right to this section where they say Instagram account, buy, sell, trade, okay. I just love to come to this particular platform once I got this idea and all that, okay. we'll just come to this section where they say buy, sell, and trade, and we'll just come to this area where they say OG usernames. All right, we want to buy original usernames. You can see there are different things you can do, buy and sell for Instagram, maybe likes, okay, followers and all that, which we're not doing all this. Okay, we're just focusing on OG names. Okay, usernames is what we want to go for. Okay, because a lot of people go online to look for usernames they want to buy. Okay, let's say they're starting a business or they want to build their personal brand and all that. Okay, they come to PlayerUp or platforms like this one to look for usernames, okay, they can buy on for their personal brand and all that. And if they are getting a good deal on the username, okay, they are willing to pay premium for that particular name. This NJ0M is going for $85. You can see this name is going for $100. This one is going for $60. Okay, there are a bunch of weird names right here people are actually selling. You see, username itself is going for $250. Okay, coronavirus is going for $500. Okay, somebody here is selling coronavirus. Okay, the username called coronavirus. All right, they are listing it right here for $500. Actually, vaccine for coronavirus. All right. Instagram name, there are a bunch of names right here. You can see, you can get the idea. Okay, will buy. All right, there are a bunch of names right here that somebody can actually sell, and people are currently selling all these usernames you're seeing right here. And you can also do the same thing. Now the cool part is that you're selling names, okay, that is worth money, names that people can pay premium for. All right, that's names that people can pay between $500 to $1,000 to $10,000 for, depending on the individual that is going to be paying you for this Instagram account. Now, there are a bunch of people who is bearing this name called Frank, okay, and there are a bunch of people who are bearing this name called Larry, as well as these other names listed right here, okay, like Carl, Judith, Dorothy, Deborah, Jane, Bethany, Lori, Gloria, and all that. Okay, so you can see the number of following this Instagram account they have. Okay, Frank have 480. This is about 1,000. This is about 8,000. This is 300. Okay, Dorothy didn't have any, I guess. This is about 581, 790, 1,521, and 153. Okay, you see the numbers are small. All right, now there are so many celebrities and so many people who are bearing these names, okay, which you can sell this name to, and they are willing to pay a premium, because the username is, because for branding purposes, a lot of people just want to have their name on all platforms the same. Okay, so they are willing to pay for this. All right, they can pay between $500 to $1,000 for just the name Frank, okay, / Frank. All right, where somebody will just have like at Frank or at Larry. Okay, so somebody can actually pay for this. So what we're going to be doing is, to make money with this particular method, we will come to Instagram, okay, and send a message to the owner of this Instagram account, okay, that currently have about 480 followers, okay, and try to offer them a bribe. Okay, try to pay them for their Instagram account. Maybe offer them like $100 or $200 for their Instagram account. Okay, yeah, I want to buy your Instagram account. They'll be wondering why you want to buy their Instagram account with this small following. Why don't you go for a big Instagram account that have ton of following? But the idea is, you're not buying the Instagram account for the followers, but you're just buying it because of the username. You want that username, okay, which is worth a lot of money. All right, because it's only one person in the entire world that actually have this username. This person answering Frank, this person with Frank right here, there are a bunch of people answering Frank in the entire world, but he's the only person on Instagram that can have access to this username, okay, at Frank, okay, as well as this one called at Larry. So what we're going to be doing is, we can come to Instagram and send this person a DM, okay, and tell them, I would like to pay you $100 or $200 for your Instagram account. All right, I see you don't use it that much, and maybe I can just pay you off for it. And the person will be willing to sell, okay. Maybe they can even request more payment from you, okay, but it is worth the investment actually, because you'll be selling this at a premium rate, which I will share with you guys in just a moment also. So once you DM them, you can pay them about $100 or $200. You buy this Instagram account, then you want to go and DM people who have money to spend, okay, people who have money and their name is Larry, for example, Larry Page, okay, and other people out there who are bearing Larry or Frank or some of these names listed here, okay. There are a bunch of celebrities who answer this name. They can be movie stars, sport athletes, okay, who want their personal brand to be cool, and they just want to have something simple for their username, okay, so people can easily find them online. All right, just like Rihanna and Drake, okay, they will have gotten a ton of following at being they are following their branding, okay, at Rihanna or at Drake, but they're answering something else on Instagram. So it is kind of like difficult for people to find them. But Adibin, they have cool branding just like this. It will be very, very easy. All right, which is why we want to provide this provide people, okay, who know the value of this, so we can DM these people, okay, and tell them we would like to pay them $100 or $200 for the Instagram account. Then what we're now going to do is we'll come over to PlayerUp, okay, create an account. Okay, it's actually free to sign up. Come to this section right here, click sign up. All right, pay for create an account. Maybe you can go for an upgrade if you want. Okay, there are actually special bonuses if you have an upgraded account. Then put your listings up here, okay, for like $500 and above. Okay, put like $1,000 if you want. If you're having a name like Frank, okay, you can, there are a bunch of people in worldwide answering Frank. Okay, so you can just come over to Shoutcart and create an account. Okay, and if you have money to upgrade, you can upgrade to the premium version of PlayerUp, so you can have more access to so your listings can be up also. Then you can put your listing up for about $500 or $1,000 or $2,000, okay, because these names are golden names. Okay, they are cool names a lot of people answer. All right, and there are a bunch of people who have money to pay for these names: Larry, Frank, okay, Lori, Deborah, Carl, and all that. Once you buy the Instagram account, you come right here and list them on this platform right here. Okay, this is the first way you're going to be making money with the Instagram account, with the name you've already gotten. Okay, that unique name is worth money. All right, so you want to come to this platform and list it. Put up your listing for between $500 to $1,000 and above. All right, because you're actually buying for $200 or $100, which you still have something to go home with. All right, like $300 or like $700 or like $1,700 or $1,800, depending on the amount you buy the Instagram account and the amount you are selling it for. Okay, so you can actually have the difference to keep for yourself. All right, so PlayerUp is the first platform you're going to be using to make money, okay, to sell this Instagram account. The second way you want to do this is to come back to Instagram, okay, and type in the name. Since this Instagram account is actually Frank, you want to type in Frank. You want to check out people who have money online, okay. You want to check out people who are living luxurious life and all that. You can see Frank Lampard is here, okay. His name is actually full, Frank Lampard. All right, this person is actually he's a verified account right here, Frank_Rosin. Okay, you can see this person. Okay, this one is blonded. All right, oh boy, Frank Nero Tree. You see, his username is not available, so you had to go with this particular title right here. But if you can offer this person this URL, this username at Frank, okay, they'll be willing to pay for this. All you have to do is just to DM them and tell them you have this account for sale. Okay, this is the second way you can sell your Instagram account, and they'll be willing to pay up to $1,000 or $2,000 for these names. Okay, because they understand what branding is and they understand how huge personal branding is, so they'll be willing to buy this account from you. Okay, so this is how to do this method. Okay, it's not that hard. Everybody can literally do this, and the cool part is worldwide. Okay, so let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Give this video a like if you enjoy it, and I want you to watch the videos on screen right here. Okay, I want you to watch these videos because they are value packed, okay, and you don't want to miss out on them, or some of my previous videos about making money online as well. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Okay, until next time guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Stay strong, peace.